give it another crack.
G'day people, it's Papa Woman here with Paul Springett. This is our attempt number 3 at this padlock. Attempt number 3 because our systems keep shutting down because of the heat. So we've gone to a more secure attempt with the G-clamp doing its thing.
Yeah, problem is
And I'm going to try and hold the devices under the umbrella so that they don't cut out, and I'll try not to go in each camera shot. Yeah, you can tell I didn't do this as a day job. Bloody camera work, I'm all over the shot.
Nah, that's alright. People get the idea, the general gist anyway. So.
As long as we get the open, it doesn't really matter what the camera work looks like.
Yeah, for all you naysayers are hoping for a massive failure, your wish might be come true. Come true. So, anyway.
I'm in the
Anyway,
shot
it's
again.
a nice day to be out in the sun at 40 degrees tonight. I'd rather be obviously sitting beside a pool with a cold beer. Yeah, anyway, that's not going to happen. Yeah, trying to get a tension wrench. I don't hate those bloody soft wrenches. Yeah, probably pretty much limited.
So I've tied the umbrella to the car so that it doesn't blow away on me and hit me in the head again.
That was probably a message from my kidney specialist telling me my dialysis appointment is in 5 minutes, but I've got more important things to do. This is a bit of history and gold, so I'll put my life on the line for the cause.
Yay! Now that's dedication to lock sport, isn't it?
That's with the second message saying it's vitally important that you get here, otherwise your life could be in peril.
That's alright, I know how to call a Limbo and do first aid. I'll keep you alive till I get here, mate.
What worries me, I'll be collapsed on the floor unconscious and she'll be more concerned about the padlock and stepping on me, sit on me, use me as a cushion while she's using the bolt cutters.
Yeah, also, you've got one more pin to pick, Paul. Get up, get up!
Yeah.
At least there's a breeze now.
Yes, that's nice, I think.
Better than no breeze.
First thing I'm going to do when this is all over and done with, I'll give myself a nice ice cold ginger beer. Could be a potential reward for failure or success. Either way I'm getting it, so no shame.
We got no failure here, mate. This is success. This is showing the lock sporters how it's done in the wild, that it's not as easy as a 10-minute video. In the comfort of your own home with your lighting and your sound effects and your flash bits going off.
Yeah, I feel like I'm under the pump now because, well, I'm not sure how long her camera will last, but mine, as you know, through my history, it's dismal. Cut out at any time.
And plus, you know yourselves, lock sporters, if you try and do it within a time frame, you end up rushing, you end up not getting your tension right.
you give me permission to call a whip when I'm ready?
Yep. Yep.
I don't want you sitting or me sitting out in the sun getting heat stroke.
No, we're not getting heat stroke.
The springy tensioner, which I despise with a passion, but I'm pretty well. That's it. The solid ones ain't working. Well, I can use them, but if I put too much tension on them, I start sort of taking little bits of chunks of brass out of the plug, which I don't want to do that. So ain't gonna matter anyway. What's the story when you're going to restore this, or keep it as a keepsake just with no key? Or?
No, I'll probably do what you suggested and put it in your capable hands to work your magic with. Bring this baby back to like it was brand spanking new, so that lock sporters can see what the process is from go to A.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Obviously can't give you a genuine key, but I can give you an operating key. The
Yep.
old postbox LW21R key. Which
I've got some of them at home.
Yeah, they're perfect for this.
Yep.
Just need a bit of taking a bit of meat off the bottom of the
Yep.
key.
Yep.
But end of the day, it's a reasonably good nice day out. Apart from the heat, obviously, but
yeah. But at the end of the day, we're going home with the padlock because we do have permission to take it, and the community will get to see a lovely padlock restored back to its wonderfulness of when it came out of the factory.
A brand new, nice, sparkly chrome shackle, which we should have had back in the day, but obviously this was sitting out in the wild. So, yeah, it's not looking too good, blokes. A lot of guys and girls, but yeah.
That's all right. When you call it, we'll go to Plan B.
And we'll show that too.
Yeah, we'll keep the cameras running.
As I take my frustration out on the
use some muscle.
rusty old bolts thread there. Although they're only a small one, they should be. It's only that would only be a soft gel, so. Yeah, I'm getting to the point now. I'm getting sort of itchy and frustrated now.
Your batteries just come up with a low signal. Yep.
Okay, I'll call them whipped, okay?
We're calling it whipped. Alright, we're going to Plan B.
Ain't got my head in the shell, have you?
No.
I'm scared the kids, mate. I'll just get some,
That's right. And then we'll bend it back up so that it doesn't catch on anything when we're done. Oh, I think your video just cut out.
Yours still going?
It just vibrated, yep.
Like a new one, that'll do.
Right,
Okay.
so do what yours is doing. Alright, just the pad.